Here's an update on our garden. It's above ground, raised bed. Tomatoes are doing good. If you're looking for what to plant that produces really well, tomatoes do really good. So that's always a plus for tomatoes. But green beans are great. We made this vine. You can check out the other video on green beans and our vine that we made. So we just used jute string. You can see it in here. But green beans are really easy and produce a lot of green beans. So we have tons of them. They're all over. You just gotta look really good. You can see them hanging right there. See them hanging. There's one here. They're all over, and they get huge. So green beans are really good. Big producer. So you just gotta really look for them. But they're going all the way up. So this trellis is done really well. So here's our update. Things to plant is the hard one. Things that will produce and you get so much of. You end up cutting back on how much that you plant because there's so much of. So green beans are perfect. Something that produces a lot. You just gotta learn, things to do with it, make with it, everything. Green beans are great.